logic network, we're gonna make use of several logic gates symbols, as we already defined earlier in some slides before. As you know, we have 6 different types of logic gates. Okay, we have AND, OR, NOT. There you go, there are 6 of them. To define logic network, you must know how to make use of the symbols. Okay, we have some gates here. We have AND gate, we have OR gate, we have NOT gate, we have AND gate, we have NOR gate, and the other one is XOR gate. And most of these gates have 2 different pins, input pins, and 1 single output pin. So this is actually the first rule, to use all the standard logic gate symbols. The second rule is that when you start drawing, you have to start from the left. So you're gonna begin from left when you wanna draw a logic network, and end to the right. So in fact of saying this, all the process should begin from the left and ended to the right will be your output. So let's have a look at this example. Okay, there is one example here given to you. This is one example of Boolean expression of logic gates. So we're gonna draw how this Boolean expression look like in terms of logic circuit network. Some says this can be called as equation. Okay, so Boolean equation is just the same. Have a look at it. Okay, in this case we have several pins of inputs and 1 single output. So actually the output here is F. This is our output pin, and this, the one in the series, is actually all the inputs, the process actually. So we have input pin of A, we have B, and we have C. So generally there are 3 different input pins here. Next is within the process, within the input expression, we must decide what are the logic gates being used here. If you can see, we are using the plus symbol. Okay, another plus symbol here, and another multiply symbol. Okay, the dot means multiplication. So from our past slide before this, okay, you already know that if you're talking about these gates, they have a representation in the Boolean equation. Plus means it is using the OR gate. If it is a multiplication or a dot, this is using AND gate. So we assume that we have 1 input here with a dash. So we have there C dash. So dash means is a NOT. So I'm going to use another gate here with a dash. The C dash will be using a NOT gate. NOT gate. I'm going to rewrite again the Boolean expression. So the meaning to say it is A or B. Okay, just write down the gate is there. Plus is also OR gate. C dash is NOT of C, and the multiplication is the AND of B. This is the original expressions. Okay, if you're looking at a logical expression instead of looking at in terms of Boolean equation. Okay, let's start drawing. You can either start with this or the Boolean expression itself. It's up to you. Okay, ready with your input pins. We have A, we have B, and we have C. So 3 input pins. We start from the left. Okay, remember that we start from the left. We start with the first expression. within the equation is A or B. So you get a wire pin there and join this wire pin into an OR gate symbol. So your OR gate symbol is like a rocket hat. Might not be perfect now for now. Okay, and ready with just an output pin there. That is the first expression within the equation. Next expression here is this one. Okay, it says then not C. So your C should be a not. So get a not symbol. It is a triangular shape with a small circle at the tip. Okay, then you join the not C. You already get the not C here. When it is passed beyond the not gate, it is become not C ready. And you get the end with a B. So you're gonna get an extra wire from the B itself and try to join these two wires to end pinned. So your AND gate looks like a big D shape. So extra with the output pin. Finally, these two output pin actually join to the middle equation, which is OR. So how your OR gate look like? You're gonna join that together. So your OR gate looks like a nose cone or a rocket ship hat. Done, almost done. So your output will be your F. So your F is to your right, and all your process start from the left. So this is how your logic network look like. There are actually lots of techniques of doing this, so you don't have to worry for now. Your teacher will try to make some videos on several other examples, okay, in the next slides. Thank you very much.